Alrighty, so you own a small business and you're just trying to get started figuring out how can I go about acquiring more customers online? How do I generate more leads? And how do I grow my business using the internet? Well, that's what we're going to talk about in this video. I'm going to share with you 4 tips on things you need to understand as a business owner getting started in digital marketing. So let's get into that. If you're new to the channel, my name is Peyton Igo. I run a digital marketing agency called Igo Productions, and we help small business owners acquire more customers online through the use of online advertising and sales funnels. And if all this digital marketing stuff is new to you, you don't really know where to get started, this video is going to be great for you. If you follow these tips, you're going to fast track your success. So if you're ready, let's get into it. Tip number 1 for you is don't try to learn everything. Look, if you spend all your time trying to learn every single piece of digital marketing and you try to know everything, that's a whole area of study. That's a whole another degree worth. I mean, it's like going to college a whole another time over again. I mean, you can spend the time going and reading all the books, and all these books plus more of these. This is just about as much as I can fit in my hand right here. These are great, but the problem that you're going to end up having is you're going to end up spending a lot of your time, and you're going to end up losing a lot of money, because the reality is if you need to acquire more customers online, that is an urgent problem. Like, that is something that needs to be taken care of right now. If you need that, it means that you're in a situation that you need to get over. You need to advance. You need to go forward with. And if you try to learn everything, you're gonna move a lot slower. You're gonna end up having paralysis by analysis, and you're not gonna be able to grow your business the way you want to. Now, with that said, what you do need is a base understanding of how all this digital marketing stuff works. Like I said, you don't even have to go into all the details, but understanding the basic strategy of how it works, what it's supposed to look like, and what the result that you can actually get is when executed properly. So if you understand that, you'll know what to look for, and you'll be better set up and equipped to execute on the following tips that I'm about to give you right here. Tip number 2 is follow proven frameworks. What I mean by that is strategies that have led to success for people in the past. You can probably go and find people that are in your same niche, industry, etc., and see how they grew their business to the point of being some of the best in your industry. Find who the best are and model. I'm not saying copy. I'm not saying do everything exactly how they did it, but understand what strategies, what themes they used to propel themselves to that point. And see, what are these businesses doing? What are these companies doing? What are these individuals doing right now that's helping them acquire more customers online? And if you can understand that, you can funnel hack, as it's called. Just see what strategies they are actively acting on and are working for them, and then you can mimic. And then put your own twist on it and get better results. Tip number 3, and this is for business owners who are really just getting started in the digital space and they're trying to figure out how they can make it work, is find one main source of traffic to focus in on first. Now, at first, there's all kinds of different avenues and places you could go down. You could say, okay, we're going to go all in with Instagram. We're going to go all in with TikTok. We can go all in with Reddit posts, Google ads, etc. But if you try to do it all at once, your focus is going to be skewed, and you're going to have a hard time doing that. And a lot of small businesses, especially if you're just starting out or you're bootstrapping, you're not going to have the resources of focus, time, money, and energy to really focus on a bunch of different avenues. So you need to find the one that is the most effective for you, that will get you consistent results, and it's very likely going to be a paid advertisement source of traffic. Does that make sense? Something that you can estimate what you're going to get consecutively, consistently. If you just leave it to more organic stuff, that's going to go up and down, up and down. It's going to be a roller coaster because you're at the whim of the algorithms. But when you're using paid advertising, it will just be a little bit more predictable. And that consistency in your ads is key, because you need that constant drip, that constant flow of new leads into your pipeline so that you can continue to grow and scale your business. And tip number 4 for you is get help. Look, unless you want to spend years and years and years on your own trying to figure out all this internet marketing stuff by yourself and driving yourself crazy and racking your brain and feeling all kinds of negative emotions and having to deal with all these other problems, just get help. It's so much simpler to go and talk to people who actually know this stuff. I just think for myself too, because I know nothing about accounting, if I said, okay, I'm going to go learn everything I need to know about accounting so I can take care of that in my business, you're going to get stuck. You're not going to be able to grow. You're not going to be able to maximize, especially with something like marketing, especially with something like trying to acquire more customers online. If you spend a bunch of time trying to learning how to do it, you eventually, maybe, yes, you might get there. But at what cost? How much time? How much money? How much could you have made if you would have just figured it out in a short time period? Which you can do if you have help. If you have somebody to coach you through it. If you have an agency that you're working with to help you get these results. This is the tip you really need to consider if you're trying to grow your business with speed. Take massive action and take that massive action quickly. Now, if you're trying to grow your business online, but you really don't know what strategies to implement and you just feel lost in the sea and an ocean and you can't figure out where to go, what to do, and you just feel overwhelmed, well, let me help you. My team and I would be glad to sit down with you and discuss strategies that you can take action on and that we could even help you take action on. So if you'd like that, there's a link down below where you can schedule a free strategy session with us. So go click that link down below, schedule that strategy session, and if you are trying to grow your business online, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you get notifications because look, I'm uploading every single day. And each day I'm giving you tips that you can go take action on so you can start getting results in your business. So you don't want to miss out for that. Go hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the video tomorrow. Hey, if you're in the mood to watch more videos about building your business online, right over here, there's videos on either side. Go check them out. They'll be good for you so you can start growing your business. Let's get after it.